am Beth Malicki.
And I'm Danielle Wagner. The trial is underway for a former Keokuk County Sheriff's deputy charged with 13 counts of child endangerment.
Now, these charges stem from that hayride crash, you remember, from 2023. And KCRG TV9's Jocelyn Pisha listened to opening statements as well as witness testimony, and she joins us now live in the studio. Jocelyn?
David Heady Jr. was the passenger in the pickup truck at the time of the crash. The driver, Danielle Brubaker, pleaded guilty to the same 13 counts in July. According to the prosecution, Brubaker and Heady started drinking alcohol around noon that day. One witness said she did not initially recognize that Heady was intoxicated, but could smell alcohol on him later when they were in the ditch with an injured girl. The witness arrived on scene after the crash while on the phone with emergency services and saw Brubaker and Heady at the front of the truck initially rather than helping the children. She said the children were screaming and crying, but that one injured girl was scarily quiet.
What was your first impression of her? I thought she was dead.
She says Heady flipped the girl onto her back despite the witness's protests. The girl suffered a broken pelvis in 4 places, 4 broken vertebrae, and a lacerated liver, and was airlifted to the University of Iowa Children's Hospital. She added that Heady took her phone and spoke to emergency services, saying he was a deputy and that they swerved to avoid a deer. The prosecution emphasized the defendant's intoxication and the intensive injuries of the 3 girls, but the defense attorney said Heady did not make the decisions leading up to the crash.
The defendant says to Dan Brubaker, his partner in crime, what are we going to say the speed was? It wasn't, let's find out who's been injured. It's not, let's call 911. It's what lie or what story are we going to tell?
If decisions were made prior to the hayrack ride that put the children at risk, those decisions were not made by Mr. David Heady.
According to the prosecution, after the crash, Heady was asked 5 times who the driver was before responding. Some of the children and their parents also provided testimony about the night of the crash and the lasting health impacts on the girls injured. Live in the studio, Jocelyn Pisha, KCRG TV9 News.